Got me some new shoes for the Rambler. These old Grand Am GTs, I believe, are from 1989. And these BF Goodrich Radial TAs back here are from 1992. They still hold air. They're not really dry rotted, but they do vibrate quite a bit. They got some flat spots in them and they don't balance out real good. So I got me some new Cooper Cabras. Let's do it. And that's all there is to it, folks. New shoes on the Rambler. I'll recheck the torque once I've driven it about 10 miles. Make sure that the lug nuts aren't loose. And we're ready to roll. New tires. Rock on.